With Multiview on YouTube TV, you can watch up to 4 live programs at once without switching between channels. In this video, we'll show you how. Multiview lets you watch multiple games at once from sports leagues like the NFL or NBA, or networks with programming like shows and news channels. You can watch a recommended Multiview or build your own. To find a recommended Multiview stream, follow these steps. First, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device. On the Home tab, Multiviews may appear in the top picks for you or watch in Multiview rows. Then, choose a Multiview stream. The Multiview Builder lets you easily select your preferred Multiview combination of games and network programs. While watching any live content, press down on your remote. Next, select Multiview. Then, you'll see a list of available live programs or games to add to your Multiview. Use the chips like Recommended, Sports, News to help you navigate the available live programming on YouTube TV. Click on the show or game to add it to your combination. Your custom-built Multiview combination will be at the top of the screen. To remove a program out of your combination, click on the network with the X. To add NFL games to your Multiview stream, note the following. The YouTube TV baseband lets you add to locally broadcast and nationally televised NFL games. To add out-of-market Sunday afternoon games, you'll need to buy the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on. Once your combination of live programs and games are ready, press Watch New Multiview. Once you have a Multiview open, here's how to use it on your smart TV. The white box will show you which stream is highlighted, and the audio from that stream will be played. To change the audio, use the directional pad on your remote to highlight a different stream. If you want to view the selected stream in full screen, press Select on your remote. To return to the Multiview, press Back on your remote. If you're watching a Multiview on your mobile device, here's how you control your experience. Tap the stream that you want to hear. You'll see a white border around the view providing current audio. To watch one of the streams in full screen, tap the view with the current audio stream. Tap the back button in the upper left corner to return to the Multiview setup. Multiviews do have some restrictions, like you can't watch in Multiview from your web browser or via AirPlay. While in Multiview, other views features like key plays and stats are not available, but you can use another device to view stats, key plays, and fantasy football integration. Using Multiview on some older TVs may result in limited customization options or a decrease in picture quality. To see more information about supported devices for our Multiview experience, check out the article in the description. And that's it. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks.